Evia Lifestyle.
Evia Lifestyle. Evia Lifestyle Center, guys. Grabe. Located at Villar City. Napakaganda sosyalan, guys. Wow.
Ganda naman ng restaurant. Ano order mo?
Ano? So, tumingin ka lang na. Kasi good for ano lang yung one.
Good for one?
Yung iba, shareable.
Ito na restaurant laki. Another story na restaurant, guys, sa Evia. Napaganda. Ganda ng battle curry. Baby back ribs, so grabe, napakalaki, dami. Baby back ribs. Sarap po. Grabe, yummy. Baby back ribs. Tagay, guys, chat-chat ng salmon na. Tikman natin yung salmon dito. Grabe, laki ng tinidor, oh. Siya, guys, oh. Salmon. Sarap mga, guys. Pansin ko dito, guys, lalaki ng kutsara, laki ng kutsilyo, yan hawakan mo, laki, oh. Haba. Kutsara din, lalaki. Ganda yung pork. Laki. Kasamang bread, oh. Salads.
Dine in, guys, at another store restaurant. A delightful western comfort food in beautiful ambience. So beautiful, colorful ang scenery, guys.
Pineapple juice. Pineapple juice in white color.
Pero pagkagabi ko, nagawa ko ng parang nilabas yun.
Yan ang order mo, pineapple.
Oo, pwede lumingin ko doon.
Cherry.
Nakita. One of the best dishes na natikman ko dito, guys, yung salmon. Ang kanyang sauce, grabe, napakasarap yung sauce.
Masarap, tikman ko pa. Sauce pa lang, masarap na.
A healthy salmon. Sumptuous salmon, good for our health. Grabe, sarap.
Grabe sarap, guys. Yung sauce pa lang, napakasarap. May order ako doon na may rice. Spare ribs with rice yun. Sarap, grabe. Super sarap guys.
Thank you so much sa blowout. Thank you sa mga apo at mga anak na dumating. Yes, for my birthday late celebration. Another day of happiness as I celebrate my birthday at Ivea, Villar City guys, in Danghari, Alabang. Wow. Thank you so much to all my children who gathered for my birthday celebration. Thank you so much.